Oh, hey guys. I don't know how these younger YouTubers do all this stuff, but anyway, yeah, back in Raleigh, and it's Saturday, so I don't know if I told you guys yet. Well, I didn't, because I know I didn't do it in yesterday's video, or the day before. And I'm looking at the wrong place. See, this is why you do these things. This is why you practice, so that you can look at the right end of the phone. And yes, guys, I am using my phone for this, not my regular camera, because it's vlogging, right? You do it with what you got. Anyway, it's Saturday. I didn't tell you, I'm only going to vlog Saturday and Sunday in a combined video that I will release on Mondays. But it's Saturday, so let's go get some donuts. And now, because, you know, Saturday, errands, that kind of thing. Yeah, haircut. All right, so that's better. Much easier to take care of. So you might be wondering what today's topic is. And sometimes these aren't gonna have topics, right? Because they're just they're vlogs. However, there is a purpose behind doing this 25 days, or I guess subtract out a day for the weekends. But anyway, there's a reason for doing this practice. And the reason is, the more you put yourself in front of the camera, the more comfortable you're going to be with it. The more you edit, the faster you're going to be at editing. It's just a simple fact. It's the way we all work. It's the way we all learn new things. It's the way we all get more efficient at things, is through practice. And so one of the things that I hope you'll do, that I hope you'll get out of these series of videos, is some of the things that you can do in order to get better at putting yourself out there in terms of video, in terms of social, in terms of content. Because the more you do it, the more comfortable you get, the better it will be, and the more effective it'll be for your business. Okay, so I gotta go run some errands, get some stuff. And yeah, I've got a GFCI outlet that I think is going bad, because everything I plug into it trips it. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot and see what I can do about that. I know, just weekend stuff. All right, got what I needed. Let's go see if this actually works. So do you ever get all the way to Home Depot and then realize that you think there might be another reason for why the problem you're having is happening? Yeah, that happened to me. I just realized after getting back from Home Depot that one of the other outlets that is outside was plugged into an extension cord that I use for my smoker. Yeah. And it's been raining. So I think the fact that the extension cord is still plugged in, it's outside, it was kind of touching the ground, like face down. You know, the plug, or I guess it was the female end, was just touching the ground. And I think that's where my short's coming from. So we're gonna try it overnight, see what happens. Anyway, back to regularly scheduled Vlogmas. Okay, so I promised with the last video that with every video I would try and do a shout out for somebody in the industry that I think that you should know. And of course I couldn't do one without doing his co-author, Marni Stockman. And now Marni Stockman works for Lifecycle Insights. She's the co-author of this book. She also wrote her own book. Actually, I should go, hold on. All right, so not only did she co-author this book, but she also wrote this book, literally the book on customer success for MSPs. Both great books. Definitely recommend both to all of you. Definite reads. But Marni brings a certain analytical mind to this industry that I think is really great. And she has a lot to say. She's got a lot of experience in customer success. And if you guys have followed me at all, I think you know how much I value customer experience, and customer experience and customer success just dovetail perfectly. So you can't really have one without the other. So check out the book, check out Marni, follow her on LinkedIn, all of the things, but get to know her. She's really somebody that has a lot of interesting and important stuff to say about this industry. So once again, it's time for you to either like or dislike this video. Now, remember my rules. If you don't like this video, you have to comment. I really do. You don't have to, obviously, but I really do appreciate it, and it does help broaden the horizons of this conversation, right? So click like or dislike, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell if you want to be notified when I post new videos, and I'll see you in the next video.
Ho, ho, ho!